Hello guys, welcome to today's DS Tech review, and today we're going to be taking a look at this, a 75% beast of a keyboard. So get ready for this. To get us started, let me tell you the reason why I actually got this keyboard. The first reason is because it has an amazing feature that I don't see most of the keyboards have. Most of the keyboards could be like, okay, they're 75% keyboards, but they're not wireless. And I was looking for a wireless keyboard. Well, I got it. This is a keyboard that has an amazing feature aside from being wireless. Is that the fact that it has a mode for Windows, at the same time it has a mode for Mac. And in my setup, I actually have a Mac laptop which I use for just random work and coding and stuff. And then I have like my normal setup, which is a Windows PC that I use for gaming and other related things. Anyways, this keyboard has two specific switches, one of them which is specifically for changing between Windows and Mac, and then the other one which is to change between Bluetooth and cable. So yeah, you can put a cable in this keyboard, and then cable is actually not that bad. I wouldn't say it's like super cheap, but hey, it's functional, and for the price that this is offered at, it's definitely worth it. Anyways, let's continue. So if you want to buy another more expensive cable that looks much better, yeah, sure you can. The port of it is actually very open, and then another cable will definitely fit in it. Another reason why I like this keyboard is that whenever I need to switch from one computer to another computer, I just need to have them all together in one monitor, and then just switch with two keys. Just choose option 1, and then I'm in Mac. Option 2, I'm in Windows. And then if I have another computer, maybe a work laptop or something like that I want to connect to my monitor as well, option 3, boom, pop, pop, everything is done. Very easy, very functional, I loved it. Okay, let's continue with another feature of why I like this keyboard. That feature is going to be its keycaps. Its keycaps are actually amazing. They're ABS, they're not PVT, but they're actually very nice for the touch. And I mean, if you're into PVT, you can definitely replace them. They're easy to replace. But other than that, for this price, very nice keycaps. They come in gray, a little bit of orange and darker gray. So, I mean, if you have set up something like that, you can definitely go with it. Another reason why I like this keyboard, it's its battery. It's one of its hidden features that nobody's paying attention, but it's actually still there. That battery, it takes forever to actually just go away. If you charge it, this will last you, I'm pretty sure, a good amount of time. Maybe for a whole day of gaming or for a whole day of working. You definitely have this, and maybe the next day you still have some there. And even if you run out of battery, let's just say, you just pull out the cable, charge it there, and you're back into business, you know? The reason why this battery is so efficient, it's because when you have it in Bluetooth, it has an automatic system that it tells the keyboard, you know, if you're not using it for like a couple minutes or something like that, then you can then the battery just completely goes to sleep. So the keyboard just shuts off, and then whenever you need to use it, you just press any key and it goes back on. One of its other features that actually shines more, it's its RGB keyboard. It's not completely RGB, that it has every single color that you can think of, but it's definitely there. And you can change the different modes for RGB. You could have solid colors, or multiple keys have different color. There's definitely a bunch of modes that you can have fun with. Now, taking a better look at the keyboard, you might be wondering, what kind of switches does it have? Well, it's actually using brown switches in this specific keyboard, but you can choose between 3 types, either blue, brown, or red Gateron switches. They're not Cherry MX, but I actually enjoy Gateron brown switches. So here's a testing how those sound. Another thing to think about lastly is that this keyboard, it is made out of plastic on the outside, but it's very sturdy. Plastic is definitely not going to break anytime soon unless you do something very weird to it. Another thing that I really enjoy about this keyboard is its feet. That's given a little bit of a raise to it, and then it has like some rubber at the end, which gives a very sturdy feel when you put your keyboard in there. It's definitely not moving anywhere. Oh, and before I forget, for any of you guys wondering, if this keyboard is made for Mac and for also Windows, so what type of keycaps does it have? Windows or Mac OS? Well, you don't have to worry about that. It includes two types of keycaps. You could actually use either Windows keycaps or Mac keycaps, whichever you prefer. Either way, amazing keyboard to have, nice switches overall, nice RGB. So overall, the reason why I like this keyboard right here is because it is a 75% keyboard, which is Bluetooth, changes between Windows and Mac OS, super fast, and the battery lasts a very fair amount of time. So if you like this content that you saw today related to this keyboard, or you want to see more content like this, make sure to leave a like, also subscribe if you haven't already, and get ready to see more tech videos.